Hi, dear YouTubers. I will show you how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine in this tutorial, so let's begin. The best way to test Windows 11 without risk on your computer is to install the new Microsoft OS on a virtual machine. A virtual machine is a virtualized environment that runs on a physical device and has the same characteristics as the latter: CPU, RAM, hard disk, network card, etc. You can install any operating system, another version of Windows, or a Linux distribution, even if it is different from the one installed on your computer. For example, you can create a virtual machine and install Windows 11 on a laptop running Windows 10. This tutorial will see how to install Windows 11 on a virtual machine using the VMware Workstation application. Prerequisites: VMware Workstation Pro, Windows 11 ISO. Install Windows 11 in a virtual machine with VMware Workstation. Install VMware Workstation on your PC and then run it. Select I have a license key for the VMware Workstation. Select Custom, Advance. In Virtual Machine Hardware Compatibility, leave the default options, then click Next. Select Install Disk Image File, ISO, then find the ISO image of Windows 11 that you downloaded before. Select Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 x64. Name the Windows 11 virtual machine. Select the UEFI firmware, then check the Secure Boot box. At a minimum, choose one processor and 2 cores per processor. If your computer's CPU capacity allows it, increase the number of processors and cores to have a faster virtual machine. Allocate at least 4096 MB of random access memory, RAM. Choose Use Network Address Translation, NAT, as the network type. Choose LSI Logic SAS as I/O controller type. Choose NVMe as disk type. Select Create a new virtual disk. Allocate at least 60 GB of disk space. Leave the Allocate All Disk Space Now box unchecked, and the Split Virtual Disk into Multiple Files option enabled. Leave the default name assigned to disk files. Click the Finished button. In the Windows 11 Virtual Machine tab, click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. In the Options tab, select Access Control, then click on the Encrypt button. Enter the password that will encrypt and decrypt the virtual machine, then click the Encrypt button. In the Hardware tab, click on the Add button. Select Trusted Platform module, then click Finish. ATPM has been successfully added to the virtual machine. Click OK to close the virtual machine settings. Click Power on this virtual machine to power on the virtual machine. On startup, press any key to launch the Windows 11 installer. For convenience, enable the Keep Aspect Radio Stretch option to adapt the virtual machine screen to the window size automatically. Follow the installer instructions to install Windows 11 on the virtual machine. Now, install VMware Tools, a suite of utilities that improves virtual machine performance and allows you to use advanced features, enhanced graphics performance, shared folders, copy-paste between host and guest, etc. To do this, click VMware Tools. In the Windows 11 guest machine, open File Explorer, VMware Tools DVD Player, and double-click setup64.exe. Install VMware Tools, then restart the virtual machine. By opening System Information, msinfo32.exe, you will notice that Windows 11 is installed in UEFI mode and that Secure Boot is activated. Similarly, by opening the TPM Management Console, tpm.msc, you will notice that the TPM is indeed activated. Congratulations! You have installed Windows 11 on a virtual machine using VMware Workstation. So that's it. That's the end of the video. If you like, hit the like button and do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the following tutorial. Bye.